Dear is our highest level formality. Good afternoon, good morning, little less formal. And then we go to our hello and hi. Okay, hello and hi are going to be the least formal greetings for a professional business message at this particular moment in time. So you can say hello, you can use hi, but it's going to be hello, first name, hi, first name, comma. Technically, it should be 2 commas. Hello, comma, Jenny, comma. Hi, comma, Jenny, comma. Just like good morning, good afternoon. Why don't we do it? Because hi, H-I, doesn't have any other meaning. Hello, H-E-L-L-O, doesn't have any other meaning. Those words are only used the way that they're spelled to greet people. So you don't have to have the comma there between the greeting and the person's name. It's not necessary because there's no other interpretation. Okay, that's unlike good afternoon, good morning, where there are other ways, potentially negative, potentially HR related, in which to interpret that phrase if you don't put the comma in. With hi and hello, there's nothing scary or dangerous if you don't put it in.